If you leave now, nothing will change. This story is not entertainment. This story is a warning, and maybe a wake-up call. Alex was not special at first. No talent, no money, no support. Just another face in the crowd. Just another quiet life. Alex dreamed, but never spoke, because people laughed very easily. Think small, they always told him. Be realistic, they always said. Alex believed them for years. That belief shaped his whole life. Small goals, small actions, small results. A small life, quietly accepted. Every morning felt exactly the same. Same streets, same faces, same thoughts. Inside, one question kept growing. Is this really all I am? Alex was afraid of many things. Afraid to fail in public. Afraid to look stupid trying. Afraid of other people's opinions. But one voice never disappeared. A quiet voice inside his mind. You are meant for more, it said. You just stopped believing yourself. Alex tried to ignore that voice. He stayed busy. He stayed distracted. Scrolling, working, surviving, repeating. But the voice grew stronger. One day, Alex finally stopped. He asked one dangerous question. What if I think bigger? What if I try seriously? That question changed everything slowly. Not overnight, not magically, but deeply, permanently, from the inside outward. Alex was still not rich, still not famous or powerful, but he made one decision. I will think bigger every day. He stopped calling himself average. He stopped lowering his own value. He allowed himself to grow. That permission changed his direction. People around him stayed the same. Same doubts, same negative words. You are dreaming too much, they said. This won't work, they repeated. But Alex listened less each day, because his inner voice grew louder. Confidence replaced constant fear. Action replaced endless overthinking. Thinking big did not remove fear. It taught Alex to move anyway. Fear stopped controlling his choices. Progress became more important than comfort. Alex failed many times early. Mistakes were frequent and painful. But failure no longer meant stop. It meant learn, adjust, continue. Slowly, things began to change. Skills improved. Opportunities appeared. Not luck, not magic, just consistent big thinking. Years later, Alex looked back. The old version felt unfamiliar. Small thinking Alex was gone. A stronger person had replaced him. People asked him one question. How did you change your life? Alex answered very simply. I changed how I think. Thinking big was never arrogance. It was self-respect finally activated. It was believing growth was possible before evidence ever appeared. Your life follows your thoughts. Small thoughts create small paths. Big thoughts create new directions. The choice is always yours. Right now, you are like Alex, listening, thinking, maybe doubting. But this moment matters deeply, because moments shape decisions. The hardest part came later, not at the beginning, but in the middle, where most people quit. Alex started seeing small success, not enough to celebrate loudly, but enough to feel different, enough to scare him inside. Success brings new fear sometimes. Fear of losing progress. Fear of higher expectations, fear of becoming visible. Now, people were watching Alex, some with curiosity, some with silent jealousy, some hoping he would fail. Old friends felt uncomfortable around him, not because Alex changed badly, but because he grew forward. Growth creates distance naturally. Alex felt lonely many nights. No applause, no encouragement, just questions in the dark. Is this path worth it? This moment breaks most people. Not pain, not failure, but loneliness during growth. Very few talk about this. Alex almost stopped one night. He felt tired of pushing, tired of believing alone, tired of being misunderstood. Then he remembered something important. His old life felt safe, but it was slowly killing him. Comfort was his real enemy. So Alex kept going quietly. No announcements, no arguments, just daily effort and focus, just silent discipline. he learned a powerful truth. Motivation does not stay forever. Discipline stays when motivation leaves. Thinking big requires discipline. Some days felt empty and slow. No results, no signs. But Alex showed up anyway. That changed everything long term. He read when others scrolled. He practiced when others complained. He planned while others waited. Small habits built big direction. People saw results later, but they never saw the process. They called it luck suddenly. Alex smiled quietly. Luck is misunderstood discipline. Luck is effort with patience. Luck follows those who persist. Alex knew this deeply now. One opportunity changed his confidence. Then another followed quickly. Momentum started building naturally. Thinking big attracted bigger chances. Alex still felt fear sometimes. Fear never completely disappears, but now fear felt smaller, and Alex felt stronger. He stopped asking for permission, stopped waiting for perfect timing, stopped seeking approval from others. Self-belief became his foundation. Alex understood one dangerous idea. Most limits are imaginary, built by repeated negative thoughts, passed down by fearful people. Once he broke one limit, breaking others became easier. Confidence stacked like muscle. Use made it stronger. Years passed faster than expected. Life started feeling intentional, not random, not reactive. Alex was finally steering. People from his past returned, with different tone and respect. "Teach us," they asked politely. Alex answered honestly. "I only changed how I think. I acted when scared. I stayed when quitting felt easier. That's all." But deep down, Alex knew more. Thinking big rewired his identity. He stopped seeing ceilings. He started seeing possibilities. Now, Alex looks at you, not directly, but through this story. Because this is your moment, your quiet decision point. You can close this video, return to familiar comfort. Nothing will judge you. Nothing will change either. Or you can stay thinking. Question your current limits. Ask one brave question today. What if I think bigger? Thinking big does not guarantee success, but thinking small guarantees regret. Regret lasts longer than failure. Alex learned that early. This story is not about Alex. Alex is just a mirror. The real story is yours, and it is still unfinished.